Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have m square minus n square equals to 1 and m square plus m into n equals to 2, and we solve this problem for the values of m and n. So here the very first step we are going to do is we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now first we focus on equation number 1, and from equation number 1 you see here this is the our nice square identity, and we know about this identity. If we have m square minus n square, it is equals to m plus n times of m minus n equals to 1. And now in the next step here we focus on equation number 2, and here first we call this is our equation number 3. And if you focus on equation number 2, so our equation number 2 implies that here you see that we have m with a common term which lies from both of these terms, so that we take common m, and here you get m plus here we take common m and we get only n equals to 2. And now further in the next step we call this is our equation number 4, and here we first divide equation number 3 by equation number 4. So here we just write that we divide equation number 3 by equation number 4, and when we divide both of these equations, it means that we divide left hand side with left hand side and right hand side with right hand side. So when we divide these two equations, it is written as m plus n into m minus n, and it is divided by m times of m plus n equals to 1 over 2. And now in the next step we need a little bit simplifications here, and you see that we have this is m plus n is cancelled out by this m plus n, and the remaining terms are m minus n divided by m is equals to 1 over 2. So these are the remaining terms. So now in the next step here we cross multiply the terms, and we multiply this 2 with m minus 1 and we multiply this m with 1. So after this cross multiplication we write it as 2 times of m minus n equals to m. And now here we need more simplifications, and we multiply this 2m on both of these terms, and it is written as 2m minus 2n equals to m. And here we move this plus m in the left hand side, and it is written as 2m minus m, and we move this minus 2n to the right hand side, and it is written in the positive form. So here we have this is 2m minus m becomes here plus m, and this is our 2n. And now we call this is our equation number 5. Okay, so here we substitute this value of m in equation number 1, and we solve our equation number 1 in for the variable n. Okay, so here we just substitute or put this equation in one equation. So you see here this is our equation number 1, m square minus n square equals to 1. So that we substitute this value of m and n, this value of m in equation number 1, and it is written as m square. So our m is 2n square minus n square equals to 1, and here we need more simplification, and we write this 2n square equals to 4 times of n square minus n square equals to 1. And now in the next step here we subtract 4n square by n square, and we get 3n square equals to 1. And now we move this 3 to the right hand side, and it is written as n square equals to 1 over 3. And now here we take a square root on both of the sides in order to find the value of n, so that when you take square root it is written in this form. So you get the first real values of n is 1 over square root of 3. So these are the two values of m, and now we have the time to find the values of m corresponding to these values of n. So for this we need here equation number 5. So that our equation number 5 is implies that our equation number 5 is m equals to 2n. This is equation number 5, and we have these two values of n, and here we write the positive value, it is 1 over square root of 3, and here we write the negative value, it is minus 1 over square root of 3. So after that we substitute these two values in this equation and we find the corresponding values of m. So we have m equals to 2n, so this is equals to 2 into 1 over square root of 3, and similarly in that case we have m equals to 2 times of minus 1 over 3 square root, and here we clearly find the value of m is 2 over square root of 3, and in this case we have m equals to minus 2 over square root of 3. So that we have two solutions of the given equation, and our first solution is mn equals to 2 over square root of 3, and the value of n corresponding to the value of n is this one. So this is the our first solution, and this is the value of m corresponding to the value of n. So these are the two solutions of the given equation. So here we write the first solution is it is 2 over square root 3 into 1 over square root of 3. This is the first solution, and its second solution is minus 2 over 3 into minus 1 over square root of 3. And now in the next step here we need to verify these two solutions. So here we just verify our one solution, and I can remain the second solution for up to you. You can verify the second solution by yourself. Okay, so here now first we copy down the given two equations. So first equation is m square minus n square equals to 1, and our second equation is m square plus mn equals to 2. So here we substitute this value of m and n in this given equation, and we check its behavior. So first we put the value of m, and it is 2 over square root of 3, and when we substitute it here it is written as 2 over square root of 3 square, and the value of n is 1 over square root of 3 square equals to 1. And similarly here first we need to simplify this, and you have square root of 2 becomes here 4, and the square of square root of 3 is equals to 3 only, and 1 square equals to 1, and square root of 3 becomes here 3, and this whole equals to 1. Here we need the LCM, and when you take its LCM it will be written as 4 minus 1 divided by 3, and it is equals to 1. So this implies that 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. So this shows that 1 is equals to 1. It means that the values of m and n satisfied our first given equation. And now we check our second equation, and our second equation is m square plus mn equals to 2, and here we substitute the values of m and n, and the value of m is 2 over square root of 3 and its whole square plus 2 over square root of 3, and n is 1 over square root of 3, and this is whole equals to 2. Okay, so here we need more simplifications, and you get the square of this term is equals to 4 over 3 plus these are multiplied by each other, and we get here 2 over 3 equals to 2. And here we need the LCM, and you get here 3 into 4 plus 2 equals to 2, and this 4 plus 2 becomes here 6 divided by 3 equals to 2, and this implies that 2 equals to 2. So this shows that the values of m and n also satisfied the second equation. It means that these are the two solutions of the given equation. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.